call backward thinking. Backward thinking. Now, Stephen Covey used to say it this way: begin with the end in mind. 4 key component parts to backward thinking. If any one of these 4 is missing, the likelihood of you enjoying success as a salesperson is severely limited. The first thing that we must have is we have to have our goals in writing. But if your goals are not in writing, they're dreams, and dreams don't often come true, but goals in writing do. The second is a written plan on how you're going to achieve those goals, specifically detailing out the key activities, the HPAs. Third is a system of measurement. And fourth is a system of accountability. And if we pack those 4 pieces together, and then we build with specificity those HPAs, and we track and we measure if we're indeed doing those HPAs, I can tell you that if someone holds you accountable, you will see it manifest in increased sales, increased revenues, and increased personal income. It is a simple, basic system. The second thing that I'd like to share with you in terms of what goes on in a playbook is what I call proactive pipeline management. Every salesperson should maintain 2 baskets connected to each other. In the top basket are where we put our prospects. People that have never bought from us, but we wish they were. When someone buys from us once or occasionally, they become a customer. And customers are good to have, and we all know that. But here is a distinction I'd like you to take out of here today. And that is, the best salespeople build what's called a clientele. The difference between a customer and a client. You sell 10 products. A customer buys 1 of the 10 every 3 months. It's a good thing. A client buys 7 of the 10 on a regular, ongoing basis. And so the key to sales success is to build a clientele.